In this video, I will reproduce the rocker wolf cut hairstyle of AIZAWA's.
Roll the tape!
It looks like I have given the mannequin quite a scare by the expression of his face. I hope he doesn't scare you because it looks a little bit creepy. I will separate this from hair strand to determine the length of the bangs. To recreate this haircut, I will section the head into two pigtails, from the middle of the crown to the center of each ear. Twist the hair into a ponytail to secure it. In this case, I'm using this type of plastic zig tie that is used to hold cables. I like it because it's easy to use and it holds the hair with not too much tension. The hair is a little bit more relaxed than if I was using traditional elastic bands. To create the ponytail on the back, I will start by combing the hair on the top and continue adding more hair as I go down into the ponytail. This technique will help me out to position the ponytail on the top of the section. Check out the technique that I use with my fingers to position the clamp. When the two sections are done into the ponytails, this is how it should look like from the profile. To make sure I don't cut those bangs too short, I'm going to create a guide first, so let's check out the storyboard. If you look at the photos, you will see what it looks like at the height of the nose. Here you can see it at the tip of the nose more or less, depending on the photo. Using the freeform technique, I will cut the desired length on the bangs at the nose area with a razor. This guide will determine how long I will cut the ponytail, and this will be the shortest part of the layers on the wolf cut, going from short on the front to longer on the back. I will use the point cutting technique to remove the hair on the ponytail at the desired length. To be able to get a more blended look on the layers, I will texturize the ends of the ponytail using the texturizing shears with the white teeth. Cut as much as needed depending on the density of the hair. If you don't have this type of shears, continue using the traditional shears, doing the same cutting technique as you were doing before, the point cutting, but a little bit deeper. To add a little bit more movement and lightness to the bangs, comb the hair forward and texturize the hair as desired. Let's check on the storyboard where the layers are. This is the weight area. Where the ends of the first layers lay is considered the weight line, the division in between the active area and the inactive area. More or less follows the length of the bangs at the tip of the nose. In the case of this reproduction, 6 fingers of length would be ideal. Basically the same length as we did in the ponytail in the front. It's very important where the hair is condensed in the ponytails, because that determines the length of the shortest layers and how it extends from short to long from that point. Given the anatomy of the head and the position I put the ponytails, you can see that it's a little bit shorter on the front section and a little bit longer on the back. Let's check first the front area and see how we like it. I think if you compare with the iPad, it looks perfect, with good movement and texture. Now let's see how it looks the back area. Voila! Total rocker! We are totally ready for that heavy metal concert. Let's shake that mane. This haircut looks phenomenal with any hair color, but for AIZAWA I'll be using some black to color his hair. Notice how this haircut using the pure technique of condensing has produced perfect incremental layers around the head. As you can see, this incremental line from short to long. Paste from 1821 is ideal to style this hair straight, wavy or curly.
If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. It makes the biggest difference.
Dry the hair with the diffuser if you want to activate those curls and waves, or you can let it dry naturally. The length of this hairstyle will look good with any face types. The particular texture or color of a person will make this style unique. This is one of those few haircuts that you can do by yourself if you're confident. It will only take 5 minutes.
Follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to be doing next and to see some videos on the behind the scenes.
Don't miss my next video. I will be doing 2 curtain bangs haircuts, one long and one short. This video has about 1 million views on my Spanish channel already. Let me know what you think about how I recreate this style and the technique that I use. We did it with only 2 haircuts. Using Untitled 1821 hairspray, I will position the hair AIZAWA where I want it so I can do my final pictures. If any one of you decide to do this haircut to yourselves or one of your friends, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know what you guys did.
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.